How to send expiring photo in Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send expiring photos on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll actually need to have your Telegram updated. So update your Telegram, and after you've done that, you can open it up. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. After that, you can then head over to any text you want. I'll just head over to my friends text section, and after you here, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on this attachment icon. Tap on it, and there you can take a picture now. So choose the take a picture option, and from here take a picture that you want. So I'm just taking this black screen here, and after you've taken a picture, what you'll need to do is you will see on the bottom right corner the send button. Long press on the send button and you will see different options. Now under here you will need to choose send with timer. So tap on send with timer, and there you will get different options. So what you'll need to do is send a timer, that is view once, and send it with timer. Now you can also choose view 1 second, 2 second, whichever you do, it will just the photo will expire in that very second. So send it with the timer, and after they view it for a few seconds, it will just disappear. And that is how you can send expiring photo in Telegram, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks and stay tuned for more.